Hi guys, just going to take you around the Toyota Yaris Hybrid XL we've just taken in. Lovely example, great specification as well. You've got the diamond cut alloy wheels on there, which you can see. Finished in lovely black paint with the grey interior. Got bridge stones on that one as well. We've got rear parking camera, registered in 2021 on a 21 reg, as you can see, and covered just over 15,000 miles from new. So as you can see, really good example. You've got sensors front and rear, like I mentioned, rear parking camera. And you've got the panoramic roof as well, which is fixed glass sunroof. We've got keyless entry, keyless start. You've got the part leather interior. As you come round, you see 15,055 miles. Multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control, audio settings, auto lights and wipers. You've got audio settings, FM, AM, digital, Bluetooth, all on there as well. You've got mobile phone settings, rear parking camera. That's beeping because I've still got the door open. Dual zone climate control, like I mentioned, keyless start, auto gearbox. You've got your different driving modes, your electric park brake. You've got 2 keys with the vehicle as well. Really good. And confirmation of the first service, which was done in September by Toyota themselves at 9,545 miles. But like I say, really good light into the vehicle with the fixed glass sunroof. You can pull the blinds across if you wish. We've got ISOFIX points on the 2 outer seats in the rear. Really good example. Really lovely driving experience with the Toyota Yaris. But if you do require any further information, please let us know. That you can, sort of drop us a message on Auto Trader, give us a call from the Auto Trader as well, Facebook message, Instagram, we're active on there very regularly. So if you do require any further information, please give us a shout. And if you would like to reserve the vehicle, you can do so by visiting the Cox Motor Group website if you can't make it down for a couple of days. But thanks again, and we'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye for now.